2023 trip to Morocco. I went to Tangier and stayed in Tetuan. We visited Chefchaouen. It was such a beautiful trip and a beautiful country. I was staying in Tetuan, which is shown right here, and that's where the king was at the same time. Um, but it was absolutely gorgeous. That was at the top of the Medina. I stayed in a riad. It was wonderful.